Kia ora tātou, no mai ki te rangipōtonga ko Talina tōku ingoa. My name is Talina and we are back with our southern skies for the month of January, our first of 2026. With summer in full swing, the nights might be a little bit shorter, but there's still plenty happening above us. From Jupiter at its very best to beautiful lunar pairings and some familiar deep sky sights. Let's take a look at what's happening in our night sky this January. First up, the evening sky. On 10th of January, Jupiter reaches opposition, meaning it's directly opposite the sun in the sky. This is when Jupiter appears brightest and largest for the year, rising at sunset and staying visible all night. It is an excellent time to observe its cloud banks and moons with some pretty good binoculars or maybe even a telescope if you've got one. This month also marks your last good chance to spot Saturn in the western evening sky before it sinks too close to the sun and disappears from view for several months. Look low in the west shortly after sunset and you might just catch a glimpse of Saturn. High overhead, the large and small Magellanic clouds are beautifully placed in our summer skies. These two neighbouring galaxies are visible to the naked eye from dark locations and are a spectacular reminder that we live in a much larger cosmic backyard. In the morning sky, some of our brightest summer stars continue to dominate. Takarua, or Sirius, remains brilliant in the northeast before sunrise, while Atutahi, or Canopus, shines high in the south. It is the second brightest star in the night sky and a defining feature of our summer mornings. You'll also notice Mahutonga, or Tipunga, more famously known as the Southern Cross, shifting lower in the southwest during the early morning hours. Now for our moon phases for January. The full moon, Rako Nui, falls on the 3rd of January this month, followed by the last quarter or Tangaroa Amua on the 11th of January. The new moon, Whiro, the 19th of January, bringing darker skies, which are perfect for getting out and doing some stargazing. And finally, the first quarter phase, the Tamatea phase, falls on the 26th of January this month. And now on to conjunctions. There are several lovely pairings to enjoy this month. 3rd and 4th of January, the moon and Jupiter appear close to each other on both of these nights, passing by as the night carries on. 15th of January, the moon meets Rehua, also known as Antares, the heart of the Scorpius constellation. 23rd of January, the moon and Saturn pair up low in the western sky after sunset. 27th and 28th of January, the moon passes very close to Matariki, making for a beautiful early morning sight. 31st of January, the moon and Jupiter meet once again to close out the month. In other cosmic news, the interstellar visitor 3I Atlas continues its journey out of our solar system after making its closest approach to Earth in December. While it's now fading, astronomers will continue studying this rare object as it heads back into interstellar space. NASA is also continuing to prepare for Artemis 2, which is set to send 4 astronauts around the moon. It is the first crewed mission beyond low Earth orbit in over 50 years. It could launch as early as next month when the first launch window opens. We'll be sure to keep you updated on any further progress. And with summer school holidays underway, we've got some planetarium shows, our rocket launches, and even more through January. It is a great time to visit us here at Stardome and to explore the night sky. Be sure to check out our website for showtimes. And that is our guide for January. With Jupiter at opposition, Saturn making its final appearance, there's still plenty to enjoy under our southern skies. And we'll see you here under the stars at Te Whatu Stardome. Ka kite anō!